Hi, welcome back to the channel. It's 24th of April, doing today's Wordle. I was told that creating is a good start in Word. I can't really see why you'd want to start with a C in a word though. So I'm going to go for snare today, which has got an S, an N and an R, and two vowels. And, that's quite good. So I think we're going to go for entry. Which would fit. This could be a quick one. Oh, no. And so V's got to be in the middle. N-E-R, inert. I-N-E-R-T, inert. Inert it is. There we go. Impressive. Thank you very much. If anybody's watching this, and we know how we could actually find out who subscribes, because I see that people have subscribed, but I can't see the names. And I'm quite new to this, so if anybody could let me know where I could find the names, so I could drop them a line and thank them, I would be eternally grateful. There we go. Thank you very much. Wordle, 24th of April. Bye.